Your 30s have a way of sneaking up on you. One moment you're excited about finally earning a decent salary, and the next you're staring at a mortgage application, juggling bills and wondering how anyone actually keeps up. Money gets pulled in every direction: houses, retirement, kids, maybe even helping your parents. And suddenly every paycheck feels like it's gone before you can enjoy it. People say your 20s are for figuring things out, but your 30s, that's when the decisions really start counting. I'm Brian, and I help people cut through the chaos of money so they can build wealth without losing their sanity. If you've ever felt like your finances are one big juggling act, you're not alone. But with a clear focus on the right milestones, you can turn this decade from overwhelming into empowering. The first step is clearing consumer debt: credit cards, car loans, lingering student debt. These eat away at your income and limit your options. In your 30s, you're likely earning more than ever. But if payments are draining your cash flow, that extra income doesn't matter. Freeing yourself from debt isn't just financial, it's emotional. It gives you flexibility when life throws curveballs. The second move is protecting your credit score. It might not feel urgent, but the truth is it can save or cost you tens of thousands of dollars when you buy a house. Even a small bump in your mortgage rate makes a huge difference over time. Pay on time, keep balances low, avoid unnecessary accounts, and never miss a payment. Think of your credit like armor. It protects your future self. Now zoom out and build a plan. For the first time, you probably have competing goals all at once: retirement, emergencies, maybe kids' education, maybe helping parents. Without a roadmap, you're just reacting, and that gets exhausting. Your plan doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need to cover the essentials: how much you're saving, where it's going, and how all the pieces fit together. That clarity alone can cut your stress in half. And speaking of stress, your emergency fund needs to grow up in your 30s. 3 months of expenses may have worked in your 20s, but now aim for 6 to 12. Life gets more complicated. Houses break, kids get sick, parents need help. A bigger safety net isn't just about security, it's about freedom. It lets you take risks, change jobs, or invest in opportunities without worrying that one surprise bill will wreck everything. Retirement saving also has to get serious now. By 40, a strong benchmark is around 3 times your annual salary. Don't panic if you're behind. The point is to give compound interest time to work. Automate contributions and increase them whenever your income rises, before lifestyle creep eats it up. If you learn to direct half of every raise or bonus into savings, you'll barely notice the difference today, but your future self will thank you. And that brings up lifestyle inflation, the silent killer of wealth. It's so easy in your 30s to upgrade everything: the apartment, the car, the vacations. But if every pay increase just fuels more spending, you'll never actually get ahead. Protect yourself by automating savings before you even see the extra money. It's the simplest way to build wealth without relying on willpower. Here's something financial advice doesn't always talk about. Your health is a financial asset. Poor health is expensive: medical bills, missed work, lost energy. In your 30s, your habits start to stick, and prevention is far cheaper than repair. Regular movement, decent food, enough sleep. These aren't luxuries, they're investments. You don't have to live like a fitness influencer, but your future wealth depends on your current health more than you think. If you have kids, start their education fund early. Costs are climbing, and even small contributions add up over a decade or more. You don't need to cover everything. Your own retirement still comes first. But starting early gives you options later, and that flexibility matters. All of this leads to the real milestone: financial confidence. Not a specific number, but the calm that comes from knowing your systems are solid. You've got debt handled, savings automated, credit protected, and a plan in motion. Confidence means you can look at a bad market month and not panic. It means you can make decisions without second guessing. It's not about being perfect, it's about being prepared. So yes, your 30s can feel like a lot, but they don't have to be overwhelming. This can be the decade where you take control. Start small, pay off a card, open that savings account, bump your retirement contributions a percent. These little steps compound, just like your investments. Your 30s don't need to be a financial storm. They can be the foundation for decades of freedom. If this helped you see the path a little clearer, stick around. subscribe, like this video, and let's keep building together. Because the choices you make now won't just shape this decade, they'll shape the rest of your life. Thanks for watching InvestingFlix, where smart money learns smarter moves. Subscribe for more insights that grow your wealth.